Hey folks, long time no unboxing video. So I got today some packages from Walmart. So on Amazon Prime Day, actually, I went looking on Amazon for my cables because I needed to replace the one that I have here because it's actually two shorter HDMI cables connected with, just an extender kind of thing. And at some point in time in the past 5 or 6 years, however long I've had it, I stepped on the connector. And I think that's why it's not working properly, because any number of times it's actually come up on the screen of my TV, because to connect my old laptop to my TV, so I can, download wrestling and watch it off that. And so I've, um, I've been using it to do that, and because I got a new laptop now I'm doing this on. I've been doing that for who knows how long I've been doing that. And past 3 or 4 years, before it stopped working properly, it would say searching, no connection. And it has something to do with my pager. So what I did is I ordered on Amazon Prime Day, not to put any difference on Walmart.ca. I went on Amazon, looked up HDMI cables, and then compared it to Walmart, I saw that Walmart had a cable, a 10-foot cable, supposed to be anyway. I'm not sure if this is a 10-foot cable or not. Doesn't seem like it's a 10-foot cable. But it seems like a 10-foot cable either. But I ordered a 10-foot cable and a three-way HDMI splitter. So, let's open these up. Let's see what it says. It says what it is. Like it sometimes say. It seems to say on this what it is, so I'm guessing the other one won't say either. Nope. What? No, that's an address. Okay, that's the return address, I have to assume. So, alright, well, let's cut them open and see if the cord they gave me is long enough to do what I need it to do. The splitter, I'm sure, will do what it's supposed to do. It's something all the right thing. So, that is not the right cable. That is not a HDMI cable. That might not even be HDMI there. I'm not sure that's HDMI. This is not what I ordered. So, too bad Walmart, that's not what I ordered. So, let's see, because it looks like it's either, looks like it's an Android connector and a USB connector. So that's strike one. Let's see if this is at the very least the other thing that I ordered. I hope it is. For the sake of, it only cost $20, but I know for an absolute fact I ordered a 10-foot long HDMI cable and a HDMI splitter. So unless they're both in here, which is possible, but not likely, both in here, and they gave me that as a bonus or something. Okay, so at the very least, and that's a two-way HDMI splitter. That's a two-way HDMI splitter. I'm pretty sure I ordered a three-way. I'll have to check both the orders to see if that's what I ordered. I mean, it's okay if that's what I ordered. I'll make do. A two-way splitter is better than a no-way splitter, but the other one is most definitely not what I ordered. So I'll have to check my two Walmart orders and just make sure they didn't just send me the wrong thing. So I'm pretty sure they sent me the wrong thing. I can't imagine I ordered that badly, because this is definitely not anything that I need. I don't need this. So I have enough of these. This is like a charging cord for, I don't know if the numbers on the website were wrong, or I clicked on the wrong one. I mean, it comes up on the order what I ordered. So I'll just have to go look at it, and hopefully it can be straightened out. I should imagine it'll be straightened out. So anyway, hopefully next unboxing video will be the right cord or something else. Anyway, so later.